Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use hashtags on Instagram to grow your profile to get more likes on your profile. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. First of all you need to do, from here I'm going to create a post. So let's choose this picture. Alright, so I'm going to give this a caption, one letter. First of all, you're gonna go to your browser and search for Instagram hashtags. So you can see you have to go to the first given link, besthashtags.com, and it will get you the best hashtags which gets you more likes on that specific picture. So you just have to copy the hashtags, and after that I'm gonna give the caption, and just you have to paste the hashtags and hit done. Now as you can see right here, the picture is getting the likes from now. So guys, this is basically how you can use hashtags on Instagram to grow your profile, to get more likes on your pictures. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.